Hello, Chef here. Once again, you can see this chopping block has a lot of use. It has been cut on millions and millions of cuts by many different chefs. Professional chefs using chef knives, bread knives, cleavers, paring knives, boning knives, butcher knives. Wow, this baby has had a lot of use. So follow along. I'm going to give you some tips and techniques and ideas in this video.
Talk to you today again about cutting board maintenance. When you notice your cutting board's getting a little bit dry, a little rough, and the color gets a little lighter, it's time to break out the oil. You can use the mystery oil, or you can use the board cream, or you can use the elixir. It doesn't really matter which product you use. It's just important to maintain the board. And one more thing, if your cutting board and your counter height is not ideal, you can add another cutting board like this. Just drop another one on top, you're good to go. Now you can achieve a more comfortable, relaxed position for cutting, chopping, cooking on, and it's better on your back and your body, and it's more comfortable. Once again here, selecting a cutting board. This is Edge Grain Rock Maple, and moving right along here, this one here is End Grain Rock Maple. They're both really nice, and you can select these based upon size, thickness, dimensions, weight, movability, finger handles, big heavy block not going anywhere. So check it out, support your sponsor right there. Have a wonderful day.